How to get Telegram code in email. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to receive Telegram codes by email. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch any web browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar at top of your screen and type in Telegram support. And then you need to search for this option. And you need to simply tap on the first link of telegram.org support. So let's tap on it. Now, in the first box, you simply need to explain your issue. For example, I want to receive my Telegram login codes via email. And then you need to enter your full legal name, enter your email and your phone number, and then tap on the submit button and wait for Telegram to process your request. Once approved, you will start receiving login codes via email. So that's it. Now you can request Telegram codes by email. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.